Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to speed up a clip in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see here, I've already got a clip loaded into my timeline, and if we go ahead and give it a quick watch, this is what it looks like. So let's say you want to make a time lapse for a video and you want to speed things up. Well, I'm going to show you the quickest way to do it, and maybe in the future I'll show you a more in-depth, complicated way of doing it. So right now, if you just want to plainly speed up if you just want to speed up the entire clip by a uniform amount, you can go ahead and right click this, and then you're going to see an option here called change clip speed. So once you click on that, you're going to see a percentage here. So this right now it's at 100%, meaning it's at normal speed. If you want to speed it up, simply click and drag to the right, or you can also type in a value. So let's say I want to make it 2 times faster. That's 200%. So that's what I would type in. Then I'm just going to click on change. So as you can see, the clip got shorter in our timeline, and the footage should also be 2 times faster. So it looks like the cars are moving twice as fast. So it's really that easy and that simple. And another way of doing that is using the retime controls. So go ahead and right click this, open up retime controls, or press your keyboard shortcut. Click on the arrow that appears at the bottom of the clip. And then you're going to see an option here to change the clip speed or to reset it to 100%. So this is just another way of doing it, and is also equally as easy, although it does take a few more clicks because this is an older feature. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.